All right, so these joggers somehow either got left in the washer, or I think what really happened is that they were in the dryer and they didn't get all the way dry. So they were still kind of damp and they smell super bad, okay? So I'm gonna show you how I use this enzyme cleaner concentrate from Microbalance Health Products to like soak them in the enzymes for a real deep clean to get all of that out of there. So on the back of this bottle, that's just all the different places you can use it. So many places. Clean my floors and bathrooms and showers and all that kind of stuff. But on the back here, it will tell you how to use it. So for general cleaning, for stain removal, for laundry, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Just took the lid off of that, and I'm going to pour in, I don't know, about 4 ounces. I am now going to add in some hot water. So hot water helps to activate the enzymes. So